Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up bulk upload contacts into HubSpot CRM, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin setting up a bulk upload of contacts into HubSpot CRM, first, log into your HubSpot account. Next, navigate to the Contacts section in the main dashboard. Click on the Contacts option located in the top menu. Once you're in the Contacts section, look for the Import button. Click on Import to start the process of uploading your contacts. You will be prompted to choose the type of import you need. Select File from Computer if your contacts are saved locally. Next, choose your CSV or Excel file that contains your contact information. Once you select the file, click Next to proceed. HubSpot will now analyze your file for compatibility. After the analysis, you'll see a preview of the contact data. Ensure that the columns from your file match the appropriate HubSpot properties. If needed, you can map any columns manually. Be sure to double-check for any discrepancies or errors in the contact data. Once everything looks correct, click on the Next button to continue. You'll then be asked to review your import settings. Confirm that all settings are correct before proceeding. Finally, click the Import button to start the upload process. Once the import is complete, you will receive a notification. Now, check your contacts list to ensure all contacts have been uploaded successfully. If you encounter any issues, revisit the import settings to troubleshoot. And that's it. You've successfully set up bulk upload contacts into HubSpot CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.